How many activities, what sort of activities are we referring to? You mean extracurricular activities?
I mean the outdoor activities, social activities.
Okay, how, you're asking how many you mean? Is that what you're asking?
Yes, I mean that's how many.
Okay, well, it's not a question of quantity. We're not looking out for a lot of activities. We're looking out for activities that you've excelled in. For example, you may have played football, but and you may have played basketball and rugby, and all at class level. And then there could be another student who may have played football for the country. We are really looking out for someone of the latter kind, someone who is able to play or to participate in an activity and excel in that activity and is able to enjoy and benefit from the experience. So this is not a question of quantity, it's a question of how well you do in those activities. So I would be more interested in seeing whether you have excelled, whether you have done well, whether you have shown a certain passion and interest in the activity. So I wouldn't necessarily recommend listing out 12 activities or 15 activities. I would recommend that you list out one or two activities that you have really done well and you're really passionate about. And in the instance when we interview you, you're able to talk about it. Okay?
And what for the certificate that not syllabus on this side?
That it's okay. I mean, if you in most cases we want to hear the student talk about it, the certification. If you don't have, I know some of these activities you may not have. They may not give you a certificate. If you participate in a volunteer event and things like that, I can understand some of these things do not come with a certificate. But these events, these activities are particularly important when you do scholarship interviews. At that point in time, you should be able to explain clearly why you participated, what experience, what was the experience like, and how you benefited from those activities.
And the second question is, could you please again lend me your email address so that I can follow on with you later if I have more questions?
Well, the easy way of doing this, the best way of doing this is to contact us through our representative. You got Philippines company there. Instead of sending an email to some of our officers, now he's able to put together the questions and present to us in a coordinated way. So that's one way of doing it. The other way of asking a question is if you go to our website, every page, at the top right hand corner you will see this particular logo which says ask a question. Now we have people here in NUS on the other side here who are employed specifically to answer your questions. So post the question in that website and you will get an answer within about 3 days. So I would recommend that you write to the right place. If you write to all over the place, we have students who sometimes send the letter to the faculty or to an officer that is not directly dealing with the questions, and then the answer gets delayed. So I would suggest that you either send this question to our representative in Vietnam, or post it in our website that is dedicated for asking questions, answering questions. Okay? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.